Microlink is a company that provides application software like core banking, core insurance, and we also provide implementation services like a SI to cross industries like financial services, retail, manufacturing, and also with government. Many of our clients are actually looking for different business models like CAPEX especially, and they're also looking for cloud transformation on how do they move from on-prem to cloud, and they're also looking at how to do adoption of cloud strategy, especially with a local presence. Currently, Microlink is working with Alibaba Cloud to move our applications from on-prem to cloud. When we heard that Alibaba has a presence in Malaysia, and especially a local data center, that's where we jumped straight in. The collaboration between Microlink and Alibaba Cloud is aggressive. We are having quite an intense interlock between both companies. We are engaging almost on a daily basis to look at how do we work together, collaborate, and go to market. Microlink attended the Alibaba Cloud conference in Hangzhou, and we have seen many real-life digital transformation across industries from financial services, retail, and also manufacturing. That makes me believe that they are the right partner to work with because of their proven solutions, and also they have right solutions that help companies from all industries actually transform to the digital journey.